Hello, my name is Liz Hall. I'm a senior practitioner coach, work with leaders. I'm the editor of Coaching Work magazine and teacher. I'm the author of various publications, including Mindful Coaching, Coach Your Team with Penguin, and Coaching in Times of Crisis and Transformation, and various other chapters, bits and pieces. I'm very passionate about how mindfulness, compassion, and embodiment work can inform coaching practice, inform leaders in their work. And so I'm absolutely delighted to be delivering this webinar with Positivity Coaching again on mindfulness for teams. So I think we've seen very clearly the benefits of having an individual mindfulness practice and how, of course, that can ripple out as well into the systems that we're nested in, including teams. But I think there's something very wonderful about being really more conscious about bringing mindfulness into the team environment, whether we're an HR professional, whether we're a coach, a consultant, or anyone really working with people. So this webinar will explore some of the benefits of bringing mindfulness into the team setting and explore some next steps. How might we make that happen? I'll be drawing some of my research for Coach Your Team and things that I've been trying out with clients. And so, it'll be partly experiential, partly me sharing some insights and wisdom from my own work and from others. So really excited about this. It's on October the 19th at 5 to 6:30 p.m. UK time online via Zoom. Really look forward to seeing you there. Hope you can make it. Thank you.